Morning students, welcome back. What we learned in the previous lesson, let us recall. You have heard about virus causing health problems such as fever and other disease. Viruses are harmful germs that cause damage to anyone they attack. Have you heard about virus attacking computer system? Yes, these are virus different from the harmful virus that cause us disease. Computer virus. A virus that attacks a computer is actually a computer program that is deliberately written by bad guys called virus programmers. Virus program is not always harmful. Any program that causes harm to a computer system is not always a virus. A computer virus in real terms is a program that can copy itself to different location on the same computer or try to infect different computers automatically. The full form of computer virus. The full form of virus is vital information resource undersized. Harm caused by the computer virus. The majority of virus programs are harmless. The main purpose is to eradicate the computer users. These viruses are written by some people just for fun, but other viruses are malicious and they can be very harmful to the computer system. They fill up the disk space of a computer by copying itself endless time. Then symptoms of virus are include computer laptops, screen distortion, data loss, unusual message, and reduced computer performance. Computer do not damage hardware parts like keyboard and monitor. How do you get a computer virus? Virus attack your computer and infect in several ways. Some of the most common ways in which your computer get virus are through an infected CD or pen drive, through email attachment, starting an infected application as it infects other running application. Next, history of computer virus. Traditionally, computer virus emerged in 1980s. In 1982, Rich Skrinta created a virus named ELK cloner that attached itself to the Apple disk operating system 3.3 operating system and spread by floppy disk. The first PC virus was a boot sector virus called Brain. It was created in 1986 by two brothers, namely Bassett and A.F. Olive. These brothers created the virus to prevent copies of the virus they had written. Since the mid-1990s, macroviruses have become common. Most of these viruses are written in the scripting language for Microsoft programs such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. This virus spread by Excel spreadsheet and other Microsoft Office documents. Nowadays, one of the most common means of virus infection is through instant message or internet chat software. Email are the biggest means to spread virus worldwide. ELK cloner virus was originally a joke created by a high school student. It was attached to a game. The virus get released on the 50th time of starting the game. This time, instead of playing the game, it would change to a blank screen that reads a poem about the virus named ELK cloner. The computer would then be defeated. There are many types of virus and different people may describe them in different ways. The different types of virus are bomb, boot sector virus, email virus, Trojan horse, worm and spyware, etc. Malware. The malware is derived from the word malicious and software. It is a type of software designed to damage the data or computer system without the owner knowledge. Malware includes computer virus, bombs, Trojan horse, spyware, and other malicious and unwanted software. Protecting your computer. Protecting your computer from virus is not a difficult task. You already know how virus infect a system or how they spread. To protect your computer from virus, keep it in the mind the following steps to be followed. Don't use the CD or the pen drive received from another person unless you are certain that the device does not contain a virus. Do not download programs or other information from non-repeated source on the internet. Be careful of the attached files you receive in your emails. Open only those files sent by the people you trust. Restrict access to your system. Install an antivirus program on your computer. Today let us move to a topic: protect yourself from a virus and malware, antivirus and its duties. How to protect yourself from virus and malware? Keep your software up to date. Don't click on the links within the mail. Use free antivirus software. Back up your computer. Use a strong password. Use a firewall. Keep your software up to date. Software make like Microsoft Office and Oracle routinely update the software to fix bugs. Bugs means nothing but errors that could potentially be exploited by the hackers. Oracle just released on Sunday an update to its Java software to fix a security hole. Hackers could have to use infect computers with malware. Don't click on the link within the email. A good rule of thumb is if you don't recognize the sender of an email, don't click on any time within it. Microsoft says 44.8% of Windows virus infection happen because a computer user click on something. Use free antivirus software. If you don't have to pay for software to protect your computer, for an annual subscription to maintain the latest virus protection for a Windows user, Microsoft Security Essential is free. Avast is another free antivirus software. If you are unable to buy a cost for antivirus software, you can buy it as a free cost. Whatever available in the free antivirus software, you can download in your system. Back up your computer. Do you regularly back up the information on your computer? If you don't, and 29% of computer user falls into the category, you have no protection from calamities ranging from a hard drive failure to your house burning down. If you are value your data, back it up. Use a strong password. A strong password is one that is complex with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols, while some others use the same password for everything. Try to avoid that practice. While using strong password, it will be maximum of 8 characters along with letters, numbers and symbols. Use the firewall. Just because we have antivirus software running does not mean you have a firewall. Both PC and Magnetos come with built-in firewall software. Be sure to check that is enabled. What is antivirus software? Antivirus computer program intended to identify, eliminate computer virus. Antivirus program check the files on your computer to detect the virus and also remove them. There are many antivirus programs available in the market. What is antivirus? Antivirus software is a class of program that searches a hard drive and floppy disk for any known or potential viruses. Antivirus program runs in the random access memory of a computer. Antivirus software typically uses two different techniques to accomplish this. Examining files to look for known virus by means of virus dictionary. Second one, identify the suspicious behavior from any computer program which might indicate infection. ஆன்டிவைரஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர் மூலம் என்ன செய்யலாம்? ஒரு ஃபைலில் என்ன இருக்குது, வைரஸ் இருக்கா எப்படி செக் பண்ணலாம்? மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் வைரஸ் டைரக்டரி செக் பண்ணலாம். அனதர் வே என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, எதை இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் மைட் இண்டிகேட் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன், யூ கேன் யூஸ் ஆன்டிவைரஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர். Most commercial antivirus software uses both of this approach with an emphasis on the virus dictionary approach. What is an antivirus? Antivirus is a software or computer program that scans files or your computer memory for certain patterns that may indicate an infection. The pattern it looks for a based on its signature or fingerprint or known virus. Once a virus is detected in the will, the antivirus companies then release these new patterns for your antivirus software to use. This update come out day by some vendor. Virus authors are continually releasing new and update viruses, so it is important that you have at least latest definition installed in your computer. ஏன்னா சம் வைரஸ் ஆத்தர்ஸ் என்ன செய்வாங்க, டெய்லி ஆன்டிவைரஸ்க்கு உண்டான அந்த ஃபைல்ஸை லோட் பண்ணிவிடுவாங்க. நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், டெய்லி அப்டேட் பண்ணணும். அந்த ஃபைலை அப்டேட் பண்ணால் தான் நம்மளுடைய சிஸ்டத்துலேயே என்ன இருக்கணும், லேட்டஸ்ட்டு ஆன்டிவைரஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர் வச்சுருக்கணும். What is an antivirus? Once you have installed antivirus package, you should scan your entire computer periodically. Always leave your antivirus software running so it can provide constant protection. Automatic scan. Depending what software you choose, you may be able to configure it to automatically scan specific files or directories and prompt you to set intervals to perform complete scan. நம்ம என்ன பர்டிகுலராக சர்ச் பண்ணணுமோ அதை மட்டும் கூட ஸ்கேன் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை ஃபுல்லாகவும் பண்ணலாம், பண்ணிக்கலாம். Manual scan. It is a good idea to manually scan files you receive from outside source before opening them. யார்கிட்டே இருந்தால் எந்த ஒரு ஃபைல் வாங்கினாலும் என்ன செய்யணும், ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்கேன் பண்ணி செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும் வைரஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையா. ஆஃப்டர் தட் we can install it. They include saving and scanning email attachment or web download rather than selecting the option to open them directly from the source. Scanning file disk, CDs or DVDs for virus before opening any of these files. The two main types of antivirus are sometimes are designed for personal computer, some of them servers and other enterprises. These are the main two types of antivirus software used for specific and generic. The types of antivirus product. Depending on the installation method of the antivirus, this can be in the following forms: on access, on demand and hardware. Depending upon the installation method, it can be varied into three types: on access, on demand and hardware. Depending on the way fixed virus, this can be in the following form: antivirus, anti-spyware and anti-spam applications. Antivirus application maintain a database known as virus and compare scanned file that matches the characteristics of known viruses. If the scanned file matches those characteristics of known virus, if the scanned file matches those characters, it is quarantined so that it cannot affect other files on your systems. மேட்ச் பண்ணி பார்க்கும், அப்படி மேட்ச் ஆன ஃபைலை மட்டும் என்ன செய்யும், குவாரண்டைன் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கும். Signature detection is just one way of identifying virus and is only effective if the virus database is up to date and contains the signature of virus. Antivirus program also attempt to identify suspicious behavior, include an application attempting to write an executable by altering needed system files, making suspicious registry entries, or adding to the list of terms that execute automatically upon the system startup. என்னென்ன ஆகும் தெரியும், ஆன்டிவைரஸ் to write an executable file, altering needed system files, அப்புறம் என்ன, adding the list of items that can be done. Once the file is quarantined, the application can attempt to repair it, delete it, or prompt for your decision on what you do about the file infected. Quarantine பண்ணிட்டு அந்த ஃபைல் என்ன செய்யலாம், ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை டெலீட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்லை என்ன டிசிஷன் பண்ணணும்னா நீ பண்ணிக்கலாம். This approach helps to protect against unidentified or encrypted virus and can alert you to suspicious behavior happening on your computer. The interesting is an area where anti-spyware or anti-adware or antivirus software often notice the same kinds of activities because they are typically for adware and spyware as well as malware. Why didn't my antivirus software work? It is critically to keep your antivirus software current with the latest update that help you to identify and remove the latest threats. In addition, not all antivirus tools are the same. If you find that the one you use is not working to your satisfaction, we should do some research and try an alternative. நீ வாங்கியிருக்க ஆன்டிவைரஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்து உனக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைடாக இல்லைன்னா we can buy another antivirus software and can install it and do it if you are well satisfied. How do I install and update antivirus software if I cannot use my computer? It might be difficult to download tools or update your computer. If your computer has a virus, in this case use a friend or other computers to download the tools to a disk. Some of the popular antivirus software are Norton, F-Secure, Kaspersky, AVG, MCA-free, E7 Endpoint Security. Some example of antivirus software: Bitdefender, easy to install and download process, real-time protection from spyware, malware and virus, automatic hourly updates, minimal use of system resource and anti-phishing tools. ஏன்னா Bitdefender என்ன ஈஸி டு இன்ஸ்டால் அண்ட் டவுன்லோட் ப்ராசஸ் என்ன சொல்லலாம், ரியல் டைம் ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் ஃப்ரம் ஸ்பைவேர் வைரஸ்க்குலாம் இது யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். காஸ்பர்ஸ்கி ஆன்டிவைரஸ் includes important antivirus software functions such as real-time email, அப்புறம் file and web scanning, as well as ability to remove spyware. Remove spyware நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம்? You can use Kaspersky's antivirus. Nod 32, the Nod 32 antivirus software used by ET is a novel virus program that provides a real-time protection against worms, Trojan horse, spyware, malware, and hackers, etc. Panda antivirus. Download and install process is smooth and fast. Panda antivirus software comes with an virus and spyware protection. Panda allows to block, delete, clean, and quarantine infected files and does not slow your PC down during virus scan, which is helpful to those constantly on your PC. The best defense. This year of best defense against your computer virus is spyware, hackers and spam is an antivirus program called Bitdefender. Has a user-friendly interface that scans all existing files on your computer, all incoming and outgoing emails, and even IM transfer. Features include privacy and protection, web scanning for internal usage. NAV. The NAV stands for Norton Antivirus. The most widely used software antivirus software is Norton Antivirus. Since it is released in 1990, over 100 million people around the world have used it. It is a free program, but in order to receive live updates, valid subscription is needed. MCA free. MCA free virus scan is another popular antivirus program. It is designed for home and home office use. It is used especially on Microsoft Windows platform. The 2007 edition includes a number of features including an access and file sharing, inbound and outbound firewall protection, and daily definition updates. Kaspersky. For the average home user and advanced user, the Kaspersky antivirus software has an easy to use interface. The program uses 3 tabs for protection, settings and support. It updates itself on a hourly basis and is one of the fastest antivirus program available. Thank you.